Okay guys, so today we're doing an unboxing video. Let's take a look at what we got. That's nice. The unboxing ceremony. It's always so much fun. I love taking off the plastic. Such a nice feeling to it. I'm just gonna toss that anywhere. Let's take a look at what's inside. The box doesn't want to open. Okay, there we go. Alright, so looks like got some documentation here. Standard stuff. And there's the AirPods. Let's see what's underneath here. Looks like we have a charging cable. And some these gel little inserts that go into pods themselves. Nice. Good packaging. Alright, so that's everything that's in the box. Alright, let's pull them out. Good there. Very nice. Alright guys, that's it. That's what's in the box. And let's just arrange these a little bit. Next, I'll be trying them out. Thanks for watching, guys.